Hey guys, so if you have the issue that eBay tracking is not updating, someone wrote here this: I would recommend waiting until the delivery date identified in the eBay app has passed and initiate a claim for non-receipt of your purchase with eBay. This process usually takes about 10 days or more to be fully resolved. So in the event that the package is successfully delivered during this time frame, you can simply close the claim. If not, eBay will refund your payment on behalf of the seller. So I was looking what you can actually do. So if you don't get it, the seller is on the hook, just hang tight. And have a great day and goodbye.